In Claude, click your name in the lower left corner, open Settings, then go to Connectors. Choose Add Custom Connector. Give the connector a name, then paste in the endpoint URL from IndicaOnline. Open Advanced Settings and enter your OAuth client ID and secret. Save, and you're ready to go. Let's see it in action. First, we ask, over the past year, which were the best and worst performing product categories? In seconds, we get a clear breakdown. Next, we follow up, visualize best and worst performing products for flower and edible categories side by side, and include total revenue for each. Now we can see exactly how revenue breaks down across our top and bottom products. And we can take it one step further. What would you recommend to help improve the performance of the bottom products? Just like that, practical, actionable suggestions, no spreadsheet hunting required. You can push this even further with Claude Desktop's Co-work mode, which lets you organize and automate routine tasks. Just tell it what you want, and it handles the rest. For example, have it automatically pull your product list report every week and drop it into your inventory levels over time folder, neatly labeled by date. That's it.